Hi everyone, welcome to week 3. I am recording this from my car at UCSD and it is Monday of week 3 and happy Lunar New Year to everyone. That's very exciting. So this week we are starting off the week by talking about the points that were raised in the annotations and discussions relating to the Laura Putnam article that I assigned for week 2. And so we'll be exploring sort of the points that she brings up in that article and talking about them. There's a lot of really interesting things that come out of that article, so I'm excited to talk about it in class today, Monday. And then we'll be talking about 3 different digital history resources on Wednesday. So Wednesday will be kind of a lab in-class work session. Bring a device if you are coming into the in-person class. And there's 3 different resources that we're going to be exploring. All of them relate to African American history in different forms and different time periods. So, and they're very different. There's a digital exhibit, there's sort of a collection of primary sources, and then there's a massive collaborative database. So we're going to be looking at all of them, exploring them, and just sort of figuring out how users interact with all of those particular sources. And you'll be adding to Project Journal number 1, which I've posted information about in the week 3 module. So you'll be starting that assignment basically in class on Wednesday. And then Friday is asynchronous again, and we're going to be reading an article by Jessica Marie Johnson, which has to do with digital humanities and Black history. And I'm hoping that the sources that we're examining on Wednesday will set us up for some good sort of context to get into her critiques and her arguments about digital history from that particular thematic and, that particular field of study, Black digital humanities. So that's very exciting. And then lastly, for this week, you're also going to be submitting a very brief reflection for me. It's just to check in with how you are doing with the format of the class, the ungrading policy, all the declarations, what you like so far, if there's anything you want to change. It's a really informal survey. It should not take you long at all. And I will use those to check in with you and answer any outstanding questions that you might have as we get into the rest of the quarter. All right, so I hope you all have a great week, and I will see some of you in class today and Wednesday, and others I will see online in the annotations and the Padlet and the Google Doc. And reach out if you have any questions. All right, bye everyone.